We're going to get ourselves a bike. Ourselves a
Yeah,
bike.
I reckon. Yeah, I reckon. If Mum lets me.
Interesting spot.
You're going to get a bike license, George?
I think so. Yep. I think this is the test, and it's going well.
Okay, what about you, Ophelia? Are you going to let him get one?
Yeah, and I'll get one. I want one now.
This has changed.
Yeah, those window
You guys have convinced us. Absolutely. Getting a bike, especially my wife who had gone from tours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Harley Davidson tours. They've convinced me and my wife, who was very against the idea, to get motorbike licenses. It's a great experience, and it's a lot of fun. It's good. It's great.
Okay, thank you.